Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug and we have an unboxing. And this one has come all the way from England, and I'd like to thank Brian for helping me out and allowing me to have this sent to his address in England, and then he was able to forward it on to me. Otherwise, I couldn't have bought it because the seller wasn't going to post to Australia or anywhere overseas, I think, for that fact. Feels like this blade's getting a little blunt now, I feel. No, not too bad. Some peanuts. Let's get into this. There, we've got it. So this isn't a Gillette. It's one of my favourite non-Gillettes. And as you can see, it is another Eclipse. And I've been after one of these. I think that's just like a both sides for your fingers to go into, to open it up. So it's got that real Art Deco design on the top of the lid. Apparently there's a crack through here. There, we can see it. So I may have to look into seeing what I can do to fix that up. I'd imagine maybe just trying to get some glue through there. But let's... There we go. Just be careful with that crack. As you can see inside, let's use the back of this to support it. And here we have another red ring razor. So I wanted one of these because it has that design on the cap. I don't know, I just like it. I've got a bit of a weak spot for Art Deco. And as you see, it's a two-piece razor. Made in Sheffield, England, and the patent number underneath. So I think I've got all the Eclipse that I want. This is another one I have, and that has the red ring, not the underneath. Let's compare them. So they look fairly similar. Interesting to note though, with this one here, along the top, how do I do this? Notice along the top those grooves are not all even. Find that interesting. How about the other side? On the other side it is. But on that side it isn't. I wonder if that's just a machining fault or mistake when it's been manufactured. Let's have a look at this one. And that is all uniform. And you saw me shave with this one the other day. So this, I'll probably have a shave with this one. Let's have a look at that. I would even say that doesn't quite look even either. That one there looks a bit taller. Interesting, but this one here you can definitely see it's a lot taller or deeper and it shallows out. Quite interesting. Well, I think so anyway. Well, so there's my collection of Eclipse razors. Hope you enjoyed it, and you know what I need? I need some Eclipse razor blades to go into some of these cases. Okay, I'll chat to you soon. Ciao for now.